Hello friends, welcome to Happy Home Tuber, and today I'm going to show you my secret recipe for making exactly like restaurant style kadhai mushroom. This is the Indian main course recipe along with basmati rice. So this will be the perfect combination for your lunch or dinner. So we will start by adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Into this I am adding onion, bell peppers which I have cut into cubes. This we need to saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and this will add a very nice flavor to our kadhai mushroom, and this will be exactly like restaurant style. And now we are going to saute our mushrooms. This is 2 cups only. I have taken button mushrooms. You can take whichever mushroom of your choice. So we need to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes and keep them aside on a plate. So in the same pan I am taking oil and I am going to saute my ginger, garlic and 2 medium-sized onions which I have roughly chopped. And I have taken little bit of green chili also for the taste. If you don't like, and then you can skip it. Now we just need to saute these onions for about a minute. And now I'm going to add some salt. I've taken half teaspoon of salt only. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of roughly chopped tomatoes into this. And we need to mix it and cover it, cook for about 4 to 5 minutes till our tomato onions get mushy and cooked. So after 5 minutes you can see my onions and tomatoes are looking cooked and they are mushy. We need to make a fine paste of it and keep it aside. Take a pan and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I am adding some cumin or jeera, 1 red chili, bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. We need to just saute for a few seconds, and now we need to add our tomato and onion paste. And this paste is also looking very smooth, and this will help in making our gravy very nice and creamy and very smooth gravy. So we just need to cook it, mix it, and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric always gives a nice color. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, some salt. So in total I have added only 1 teaspoon of salt in my kadhai mushroom. You can add as per your taste. So see, I've added only half teaspoon of salt now, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm adding tomato paste because it will give a nice color, because sometimes our tomatoes are not that much red. So if your tomatoes are not that much red, so you can add tomato paste, and this will add a little bit of more sourness and a nice color. To this I am adding 1/4 cup of water, and water will help our gravy to cook nicely, and our masalas, the dry masalas, will also not get burnt. So we need to cook this mixture and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, and after 6 to 7 minutes you can see our oil is separating from the masala. So this is the sign that our mixture or the masala is getting cooked. So now I'm going to add my sauteed capsicum, onions and mushroom into my gravy. We need to mix it well and we need to cook it very nicely. And now we have to add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and half teaspoon of garam masala. So we always add garam masala in the end because it will give a very nice aroma for any Indian cuisine or Indian main dishes. So here I've added little bit of water again, and we need to cover it and cook for about 2-3 minutes. And now you can see when I open the lid, the oil is separating again from the mixture, from the masala. So this is the sign that our masala or the kadhai mushroom is absolutely ready and cooked. Just simmer it for about 1 to 2 minutes more, and we need to chop it with coriander, fresh coriander. And this is ready to serve. And this recipe, you need to try it and let me know in the comments below how you liked it or no. And I'm sure your family will love it, because in our family this is absolutely a hit recipe. So do try this. Now we are going to jump in to make our basmati. rice. So for that I have taken a pan, I have added some oil into that, and here I have taken 1 cup of soaked basmati rice. So when you soak the rice, it will become very nice. So now we are adding 2 cups of water in that. So 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Mix it and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and this looks ready. Now you can team it with our karai mushroom, and this is absolutely yummy lunch or dinner recipe. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe. Bye.